welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, to be all about unboxing my eyeshadow palette. So guys, it arrived this morning, so I decided to share it with you guys. So this is how it is, guys. I'm just going to open it, guys, so that you see the eyeshadow palette and tell me what you guys think about it. Okay, let's go, guys. So guys, I'm just going to open it. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see clearly. Wow. Guys, first of all, the packaging is really nice. As you all can see, like, it's looking really gorgeous. Like, even without me seeing what is inside, let me just hope that is going to be so beautiful. So now let me open this, guys. Guys, this is beautiful. I love it. So now let's see what is inside. Oh, wow. Guys, take a look. Can you guys see this? This is gorgeous. Wow. Can you guys see this? This is beautiful, guys. I love it. Wow, it has, like, the colors here, they are awesome, honestly. This palette, guys, is from Color Fusion Over the Rainbow, like from Beauty Glazed Cosmetics. You guys know I use a lot of Beauty Glazed eyeshadow palette. So this one, I saw a lot of review about this eyeshadow palette. That was what actually attracted me, guys, to buying this eyeshadow palette. But I think it's really lovely. I'm just thinking about the look I'm going to create with it already. This is so cool. Like, guys, I love this yellow. Like, it's really beautiful. I don't know if you guys can see clearly. Look. Just imagine the kind of look you'll be able to create with this kind of beautiful colors. Like creating a sunset eyeshadow with this red and yellow. Wow, I love it, guys. This is beautiful. Just take a look. Like, the pack is so nice, honestly. So let me see what is written here. Beauty Glaze Color Fusion Eye Pigmentation, easy to blend, guys. Like, this is really nice, honestly. I must confess, this is really nice. Take a look, guys. Like, I love it. It's so cool. So guys, let me know what you think about this eyeshadow palette. If you want me to share the link I can share it with you guys if you want to order. Maybe you like the eyeshadow or something. This is really cool, guys. So let me know what you think about it. And guys, I will come back to show you like what I'm going to create with this eyeshadow. So let me think about the kind of look I'm going to create with it. So when I'm done, guys, I will come back to tell you guys what I think about the eyeshadow. You know, one thing is to see that the eyeshadow is beautiful, and the other thing is for you to try it on to actually know if it's worth it or not. So guys, thank you for watching, and please guys, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please, I beg you, subscribe, like, share, comment, and also hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified, guys, anytime I upload a new video. So guys, I thank you for your support. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.